Okay, so now we're calculating higher order derivatives. So, like the notation of y, first derivative is y prime, the y double prime, y triple prime, y to the n, f of x, f prime of x, f double prime of x, f triple prime of x, f into the x after that. Notation of y, dy over dx, d to the second y over dx squared, d to the third y over dx cubed, dny over dx to the n. Now, it's just finding the second derivative all the way down. So what you're doing, it's just sum of difference, pretty easy. Find the derivative of x to the 6th, which is 6x to the 5th. Well, I'll just say the whole thing and say the whole derivative. How about that? Because I think that'd be a little bit rude. So we're trying to find the derivative of x to the 6th minus 2x to the 4th plus 5x squared minus 3x plus 9. So the first derivative would be 6x to the 5th minus 8x to the 3rd plus 10x minus 3. The second derivative would be 30x to the 4th minus 24x squared plus 10. The third derivative would be 120x to the 3rd minus 48x. F to the 4th would be 360x squared minus 48. Now the fifth derivative would be 720x, and the sixth derivative would be 720, and then that's as far as you can go. Now over here we have y equals the square root of x plus x to the negative 2. So the first derivative would be 1/2 x to the negative 1 over 2 plus x to the negative 3rd power. Now the second derivative would be negative 1 over 4 square root x to the 3rd plus 1 over x to the 4th. So that's a negative. You're just flipping it to the bottom on that one. So now we're using the second derivative with differentiation. So we're trying to find the derivative of sine y equals x plus y. So we had cosine of y plus y prime, just finding the derivative, just that, then that, equals 1 plus y prime. So you're going to subtract the y prime over, and then we will take a y prime out. We'll get, we'll take a y prime out. So then we'll get y prime times cosine y minus 1 equals 1. So we're going to divide that over, and we get y prime equals, because we're trying to isolate y prime, and we get y prime equals 1 over cosine y minus 1. So right here on number 2, we got e to the x times x. So y prime equals e to the x plus ex to the x. Now the second derivative, because we're trying to find is the second derivative right here, it is e to the x times x plus 2 e to the x.